Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to buy UST to Trust Wallet. First, ensure your Trust Wallet is properly set up and secured on your device. Next, you'll need to select a reliable cryptocurrency exchange where you can purchase UST. It's crucial to verify the exchange supports the specific network you intend to use for transferring your UST, such as TRC20 or ERC20, to avoid any issues during the process. This initial setup is vital for a smooth transaction. Once your exchange account is ready, you'll need to complete any required identity verification, often called KYC, to enable full trading features. Then, fund your account using a supported payment method, like a bank transfer or a debit card. After your funds are available, navigate to the trading section and place a buy order for the amount of UST you wish to acquire. Always double-check the current market price before confirming your purchase. Now, open your Trust Wallet and find the receive address for UST, making sure to select the correct network that matches your purchased UST. This is a critical step to prevent loss of funds. Copy this address carefully. Go back to your exchange, initiate a withdrawal, paste your Trust Wallet address, and confirm the network. Always send a small test amount first if you are unsure, especially for larger transfers. After initiating the transfer, allow a few minutes for the transaction to process on the blockchain. You can then check your Trust Wallet to confirm the UST has arrived in your balance. Always enable two-factor authentication on both your exchange and Trust Wallet for maximum security. Remember, staying vigilant against scams is paramount in the crypto space. Also, for some great deals, and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, make sure to look at the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.